Get ready for the next project. Hello guys, welcome back. This is KS for After Effects tutorial channel, and let's animate a logo of Batman. First, open in Adobe Illustrator and then crop image. The easy way, select the logo, scale up, and then image trace, 3-color trace. Wow, so high quality. This is good. Then select expand. After expand, and then right click, ungroup, select the background, delete, select the white color in background, delete this one too. Go to After Effects, create a new project, create a new composition, and logo animation, maybe 3D animation. Create a new solid logo mask, press enter, and go to Illustrator, select, Ctrl C, copy, paste, press S, scale up, and then select the frame, Ctrl C, copy, create another new solid right here, frame, Ctrl V, paste, press S for scale up the size like this. And then what is the next? Create another new solid right here, element 3D, what? Logo, press enter. Select element 3D logo and go to effect, trap code, no, vehicle pilot, element 3D. Then go to custom layers and text and mask, path layer 1, select what? Logo mask, frame, and then scene set up. So now press extrude, select the bevel, press it. Which bevel preset is good for the Batman logo? And right click, duplicate model, select this second extrusion model and change the custom path to, move a little bit down, and change the environment, select a different environment like this. So now press OK. Before OK, go to scene setup. I want to check the glow effect. Select the gold basic, select this one, and go to materials, physical, select the bright light effect, drop here, and drop on another one, press OK. So turn off and go back, composition, create a new camera, 24mm, and select the element 3D logo, go to group 1, particle look size, scale up the size, and go to render setting. Where is the glow option? Open the glow option, enable the glow option, and there is the radius. down the intensity, turn off again, and double click, go to documents and video copilot, materials, environment, basic 2K, another environment, select under pause, press import and drop here and right click, create a new solid right here, horizon, so now go to effects, trap code, horizon, and go to image map, select the underpass PNG and select the camera, go to layer option, setting, select 20mm, press OK and select the orbit camera. Looking good. So now select the logo animation composition, go to edit, duplicate the second camera movement, duplicate the third camera movement, select the camera, zoom in, little bit orbit and move it down, go to camera, open, transform, stopwatch, rotation, position, point of interest, and go to second and move the camera down, play, so go to another one, orbit the camera and zoom in, move it down, go to camera transform, stopwatch and seconds, orbit the camera slowly like this, play, and now the third camera animation, turn on the title action save area. So go to second 2 and stopwatch, go to first second and then orbit the camera, zoom in, play now, select all keyframes, right click, easy ease, and select the element 3D logo layer and go to effects, presets, CC light swept, drop on logo, stopwatch center direction, and right here down the title size. What is the spell of this logo?
Justice is coming.
Coming. soon. Which font is correct? This one. And select the color, more brighter, press OK. So now select again the title, the white, and go to effect presets, right here 3D. There is all animated preset for the title. Double click, play, press U for the keyframes, select the offset, so create another new composition, 10 seconds, press OK. The name of this composition, final comp. Go to project, select the logo animation, select the second camera logo animation, press T, stopwatch, press T, change to 0 opacity, stopwatch, and go to second 2, play, and drop another camera logo animation, add a keyframe and change this opacity to 0 and press T, stopwatch, the opacity, and go to second 4, no, change from start to 0 and go to second 4, change to 100, play again, thank you guys for watching. This is the first very simple animation logo in Element 3D After Effects. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.